Today we are here with another video with Nissan Pathfinder 2014 model. It has an check engine light on, so we're gonna see with this topscan device what is the issue with this car, and we're gonna fix it. So as you can see, we have inserted our topscan device, this topscan device in the OBD2 port, which is here in Nissan Pathfinder. So we inserted this device, and now we're gonna check it that if it has some issues. So we have opened the topscan app on our mobile, and now we're gonna go in diagnostics and find a Nissan in here. We have already installed the Nissan data in it, so we click on Nissan, and it's an automatic transmission. We put a VIN number, and I already put this vehicle VIN number in, so we put a VIN number in, and we confirm this, and we confirm again and start auto scan. So it will scan all the details of the engine and the whole vehicle, and it starts finding the issues what are in the vehicle. So give it a couple of minutes. So after that, we will see what is wrong with this vehicle. So as you can see, the scanning is done 100%, and I did that scanning while my car was on, the engine is running. So it scanned all the things, what faults are in there. So check the faults. Read DTCs. So it has two issues: three-way catalytic converter system and VIAS, solenoid valve circuit. It's okay. Any other fault? Transmission fault? Yes. Continuously variable transmission jitter. TM check. Well, HVAC fault. So we have a couple of faults here. So what I will do here is just remove those faults. Okay, we have sun load sensor issue here. Well, it is still scanning HVAC system. Okay, let me show. We will just come here and clear DTCs. After HVAC scanning, it will start clearing all DTCs. So in here, as you can see, we when we clicked on clear DTCs, so it just cleared the check engine light temporarily, but in few days it will come back because we haven't resolved this issue physically in the engine bay. So that's why it will come back again. But this is how you clear the DTCs or the all the fault lights. Since we have these two issues in our vehicle, so that's why the light will come on again. But for now we just remove these to show you how to remove the check engine lights or all the indication lights which come here. So you can just remove it after repairing things by your own. So that's how you do it. Thanks.